Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicia. So I know it's been a while since I've been on here, and to be honest, this whole COVID has been a lot. It's been a lot to deal with, a lot to process. I do suffer from anxiety, so being that I have to be locked in my home, my kids learn from home now. It's been a lot, and I'm in Canada and we're back in lockdown in my area again. So believe me when I say it's definitely been difficult, but I'm here again and I promise I'm going to be more consistent this time. This is my absolute favorite holiday, which is Christmas, so I'm very excited. As you can see, I already got my tree up. Stay tuned for the video of me putting that up and decorating. So yeah, I do want to share with you guys some things that I picked up for Christmas. So we're just going to do a little mini haul. Some of the stuff are from Ikea, Winners, Marshall, my absolute favorite places, and from the dollar store. Like, don't be sleeping on the dollar store. Honestly, they got some bomb things in there. So without further ado, let's get into the video. I'm so mad at myself. I walked into the dollar store when they were putting these out and I was like, oh, I'm just gonna get two. What am I gonna do with them? And then when I got home, I realized I love these and I want more. I went back, there's literally none. Like, they are gone. I'm so mad, so annoyed, because can we talk about this? This is gorgeous. So my idea is to put an LED candle in here. If not, I'll put a real candle. But I definitely want to put this up in my dining room or living room. I don't know, but I just love it. And it was gold. And I only got two. Like, I'm really sad. Don't be like me. You see something and it's nice, buy more. Especially if you know you want more. Like, I'm really upset. Okay, so I have a thing for reindeers. I love reindeers. There's like, even if it's not Christmas, it doesn't matter to me. I literally will have a reindeer like artwork or figurine somewhere in my home. I wanted gold or white ones, but I couldn't find them anywhere, like ones that I liked at least. And I found these at the dollar store and I thought they were pretty cute. And again, I only got two. Honestly, that's all they had anyways, and these were $4 each and they are amazing. They're not plastic either. I think they're ceramic, if I'm not mistaken, but these are really cute. So I got these frames from the dollar store. They are amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and take the plastic off so you guys can see what I'm talking about. These are actually so cute. So we're just keeping in theme with the dollar store. I got this basket to put in my guest bathroom and I want to put hand towels in here. And then I got this bigger one. Larger one. This was also $4 and I'm using this for my fur baby, for all his toys and his dog like poop bags and his little sweaters and stuff like that, because he has one in our living room right now and honestly it's a mess. This tray, I picked this up at my local dollar store. It's actually a Dollarama. I'm not too fond of what's inside of the tray. So I had to jump on here really quick and say I actually did end up liking the tray just the way it is, so I kept it in my bedroom decor. I just like that it was a square tray, so I do plan to cover this and I'm going to paint this either like whitewash or I'm going to paint it gold. I haven't decided yet, but I really love the tray. This is the last thing that I got from the dollar store and it's a gnome. The funny thing is I don't like gnomes, but this one was so cute that I had to get it. My dog is obsessed with him. Brax. Come here, baby. Say hi, Brax. See? Like, he really thinks it's his toy. It's not your toy, boo. Guys, what am I gonna do when he thinks it's his? It's not yours, baby. It's mommy's. Okay? Okay, moving on to Ikea. I want to do a more neutral palette in my living room. So mix in textures, creams, white. So I got these cushion covers. I think I got 3 of them. This is like a lampshade cover. I got this for my bedroom and I picked up 2 of them because I do have lights that are attached to the wall, but I wanted to change the cover of them. So so I did get 2. I don't remember how much these were, but I think they were less than $10, that's for sure. I'm gonna see what it looks like, and that's pretty much it. That I guess. Let me just look at this real quick. Yeah, okay, I think that's it. Comment below if you guys like putting together IKEA stuff. Like, some people don't like putting it together, but I low-key like it. Ooh, it's together, it's so pretty. I love it. I think it's gonna be so cute for what I wanted. Love it. So I got this rug for my bedroom. Everybody knows these rugs, right? It's like $10 from Ikea. I love this. It reminds me of my dog. It's just so soft. And this is the final thing that I got. This is from Winners. Look out. This is a soft, luxurious, oversized decorative pillow, and this was $40. But it feels so good. So yeah, guys, that is the end of my little mini haul. There are some more things that I do want to pick up. I just haven't been able to because, like I said, we are in lockdown again for I think 28 days. So a lot of the stores are closed, or you have to do curbside pickup. And we all know Winners and Marshalls does not have nothing you can order online. Like, you have to be there in person. You have to experience in-person shopping. But I'm definitely gonna see if I can go to a few more, because I want to get a throw for my couch, one for my bed, and 2 more throw pillows, and a few other decorative things. A few other decorative things. I almost forgot. I got these carpets at the dollar store. How cute. And it's for my kitchen. I got 2. I just realized pretty much everything I got in 2s. And these were $4. So yeah, now that's definitely it. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Yeah, and leave a comment. Do you guys like shopping online, or do you prefer to be there in person? Even if it wasn't for what's going on right now, the pandemic, do you prefer online shopping, or do you prefer to be in stores, being able to see things, knowing what you're getting, sizes, etc.? Leave that comment below. Just let me know. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!